Hello, how are you? Welcome to visit our video. Today, I'd like to share with you this item, artificial single Gypsophila. Look at these beautiful little flowers. It looks like a star in the sky. It's very lovely. And for this item, the total height is 58 centimeters and weight is 22 grams. For packing, this item is 48 pieces per box and 864 pieces carton. And for material, the flowers is made of polyester and the flower stem is made of PE with iron wire inside, so you can adjust the flower size as you like. And this flowers is symbol of romance, care, and love. It can be as a gift to friend, teacher, and lover. And it's very suitable for living room, bedroom, windowsill, and so on. These flowers not only nice looking appearance, but also can bring a good mood and make people so relaxed. So how do you feel? Do you like it?